Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. I create videos about make money online, affiliate marketing and online business. So if you are interested in this type of videos, then watch this video till the end. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn a passive income up to $5,000 every single month just by doing little work. Okay, you can just work once or twice in a week and really make some good amount of passive income every single month doing this really easy method. So now let's jump into the content. I will show you each and every step, so don't skip this video in the middle or else you will get stuck and you won't be able to earn any money online. I am here to teach you and tell you how to earn, and you definitely have to make some money. Okay, so do take action after watching this video. So the first thing is that you can see that over here on YouTube there we will be searching one of the channel. Okay, so the channel's name is Mario Abraham. I cannot pronounce it properly, but you do understand it. Okay, so in this channel what they do is they create this type of piano videos. Okay, and they just play some of the skills, okay, some of the songs which are really popular. Okay, for example, see main theme Hollow Knight. See this type of animation videos which are related to pianos. Okay, all they do is and just upload some of the, see here you can see an anime theme song is over here, and they have created a cover of this theme song or piano cover of this theme song, and they are uploading to this channel. Now I'll be showing you how you can create this type of videos, music videos, and start earning some really good money out of it. Okay, so first we'll check out how much this channel makes over Social Blade. Okay, so now let's go to Social Blade and search out how much this channel makes. So let's check what is the amount of money. So you can see that this person, okay, this is not the channel, by mistake there's not, this is not the channel. Let's search again. Okay, now they will show the right channel. So this is the channel which is known as Mario, I cannot pronounce it, Mario or something like that. Okay, so you can see here this channel is making almost 4.5k to $72,000 every single month. So this is insane amount of money, and the money this channel is earning is really awesome because they are getting 18 million views in just 30 days, which is insane, which is just awesome amount of money which you can make. And you can see here their estimated yearly earning is up to $863,000, which is more than which is almost $1 million a year. So this channel is really making some good amount of money. Okay, even if they have a CPM of $2, even then they are going to make more than $500,000 every single month from this channel because they are getting this insane amount of views, and all they are doing is just using some software to create this type of simple videos and just uploading some piano music to it. Okay, so how you can create this type of stuff is what I'm going to show you in this video. So first of all, you have to go to this website which is known as MuseScore. Okay, so this is the website and this is how it looks like. Okay, and you can find this all this type of music, piano music or any other music whichever you like, you can find it over here. So I definitely suggest you to make piano music because that type of that animated videos are only available for piano music. So you can go over here and find this type of, just go to our public domain and you can find various thousands and thousands of copyright free music from this website, which you can download. To download any of the copyright free music, all you need to do is select public domain over here, and after that you are ready. Okay, now what you can do is you can just click on the music note and just click on this download. Okay, after clicking on download, you can download it in MIDI file, MP3 file, or any of the file form. Okay, I just suggest you to download in MIDI or MP3. Okay, so this file format is really useful because you have to edit the video after this. Okay, I must suggest you that MIDI file is good because you want to export it, okay, in a new editor. Okay, so you have to create an animation video out of this, so that you just have to download it in this MIDI file, MIDI. Okay, just got it. Okay, so once you download it in the MIDI file, after that you just have to use this software and import that file using this software, which is known as Synthesia. Okay, so once you download the song and start playing that song in this software Synthesia, all these animations will be created. Now Synthesia is not a video editing software. Okay, it is just a software which plays any of the song with this type of animation. So now what you need to create this type of video is a screen recording software, and a screen recording software, the best one is OBS Studio, which I am currently using for making this video. You can also utilize this awesome software. Okay, it is available for free. Just search for obsproject.com on Google and you can just find out this. Okay, OBS Studio, and you can record your screen while playing the music. Okay, or else what you can just record the screen while playing music, and then after that sync the music with it. Okay, using a software which is known as Audacity, which is available absolutely for free for your audio editing needs. Okay, so you just have to do 2 to 3 things and you can really start to make money with this method. This is not a get rich quick scheme or anything like that. This is a real method and you need to put in some work to make this work. This is not a short term strategy, this is a long term strategy. You won't make any money for first 2 to 3 months, but after that you will definitely start seeing some traction on your channel and you can definitely start making some money. But consistency is the key to success. If you are going to take action in this method, you have to take consistent action if you really want to make money just by doing this simple work. This is really easy. You can just sit once or twice a week and create 5 to 10 videos just like this and just upload them on YouTube and schedule them for every single day, so that you are free. You are just working once or twice a week and you are making a passive income just by doing this simple work using your computer, traveling everywhere. Everything is possible for you. All you need to do is learn a little skill and just start taking some action. This is one of the best way to make money online. You can also sell affiliate marketing products in the description of your YouTube videos if you are going to create this type of videos and grow this type of channels. It may take some effort, it may take some time. No affiliate guru is gonna tell you that it takes time. What is real and what is the fact, what I am talking to you is that it will take some time. You just have to be patient and you have to be consistent. Only and only then you are going to make money online. Many of you may not have earned a single penny online, but if you are following my words, if you are following my methods, you need to stay consistent, and definitely all these methods do work and you can definitely make some excellent amount of money just by doing these methods. But you just have to give yourself some time. Okay, just what I say is that just give yourself a time. Try make money online for 1 year, and definitely if you are going to put in all the work for 1 year, you are definitely going to make money online. Just stay committed for 1 year. Even though if I am not going to earn any of the money for 1 year, I will try out the make money. I will try out to make money online. Okay, after 1 year if you are not able to earn, then I would say that you can quit. But for 1 year just at least try, because this is something which can get you out of your 9 to 5, make you travel the world, and the money will be falling directly into your bank account. So this is really awesome. This can happen with you, this has happened with me, and this can happen with anyone in the world. All they need to do is take some little action and they can really make this type of passive income from this method. So if you like this video, if you like my content, just press the like button. I also recommend you to check out other videos on my channel which will also provide you a ton of value about how to make money online, how to do online stuff to earn some money, and all the other good things are available on my channel. So I definitely recommend you to watch out other videos on my channel if you are going to make money online. And we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.